Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 33 Sheffield Street. Not often we get a 5-bedroom home in the market. We have one here today. This place has got plenty of living spaces, 2 bathrooms, workshop and a garage at the back, sitting on a 1,042 metre square section and is in a fantastic location. But that's enough from me. Let's go through and have a look. This place has plenty of size for the whole family, good workshop, good trees at the back for all the small kids and the big kids alike. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North.